is what you act. Yes or no? And who is creating it? Thoughts. Thoughts are creating the action, and the choice is yours. So what is your what is the role you are supposed to play in your life? It is only the role of the correct choice at a given moment. Nothing else is your role. The choice is of the, what is the role? To make the correct choice at a given moment. At any given moment. Very beautiful. And by your quoting something right or wrong, is anything going to change? Yes or no? Will it make a difference? Yes or no?
No.
But if you operate at the level of that Sakshi Bhava, then how will your flow be? How will your flow be? What will you be? Optimum level of energy and 100% of energy? Yes or no? So every moment, whenever I say something, or even when I think something, it has to be detached from what my previous experience is, and then I have to speak something. Some past experience should not create an impression on my thought pattern, and then I should not speak about that same person who I meet again. Are you getting the message of what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
That can only happen when the previous experience is 100% cut off. So your previous experience of dowsing cannot be added to this experience, because every concept is a new concept. Every moment is a new moment. So every experience with the dowsing is a new experience. But you are only an observer to that happening, and you are noting it every time, whatever the results are coming, or whatever you are asking for. So you are only the observer and nothing else. So do you become everything? Do you become everything? Now, number one, you are supposed to do 10 things at a time. You've got 10 things at a time to be done at a given moment, and you're supposed to function at the optimum level. But what is happening in our system? We create a pressure on ourselves. Now who creates the pressure? If 10 things are to be done at a time, I can also do it when I'm mentally 100% relaxed, or I take tension. Now who is relaxed and who is creating tension? Please tell me. Who is relaxed? Number one. Who is relaxed? You or I? The person, the self. And who is creating tension? Self. Now, when you are doing the work is being affected by the relaxed system and the tension system. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, first, what is the bottom line?
Yes. Yes.
That you have to be mentally cool and calm. Because energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed, it is only transformed. Yes or no? It only travels. We are passing on our genetics to our child. हमारे फादर को ब्लड प्रेशर है तो हमको ब्लड प्रेशर आया. Yes or no? So it is a choice, no? We are actually, when you talk also, you are saying, फादर को ब्लड प्रेशर था इसके लिए हमको आया. You're not unhappy about it, but उनको था तो आया, as if you're taking credit about it. Yes or no?
Yes.
We need to reflect upon what we think and what we say, because speech, listen extremely carefully, speech is giving direction to the energy. Thoughts give direction to the energy. So when you think something or when you speak something, the meaning is something else. Have you actually noted it? Yes or no? Please interact. Are you getting the message? What I am saying is, example, I got diabetes because my father has diabetes, so I have got diabetes. I am ready to justify it. But I am happy with diabetes also. So I am telling the energy, I am justifying, I have got diabetes because my father has diabetes. So you are telling the energy, good. It is like this, once you start accepting it, you are giving it a way to manifest it. But if you have a positive approach, then when energy exists, only if I want it will come, otherwise not. Then your whole approach is different. Whatever you speak, you are giving a message to the energy. So you need to think first. Because as soon as the thoughts come to us, when you start thinking, what is happening? You are energizing that form. Are you getting this? And when you energize it, it will start happening. Did you get this or not? You say no many times, usko yaad kar raha tha, humko uska phone aaya. I was just thinking of you, you came. Many a times, many incidences happen that something you want is always happening. It is proportional to the purity inside your system and proportional that whatever you think becomes true because you are very pure. Because it is energy, that's why it is happening. It is, see, why give it a name? By giving it name, nothing will happen because the thought will always produce an action. The thought is forming a mass of energy and that is producing the action outside. The picture is being created. So you are actually creating your own destiny by your thoughts. And if you become an observer to the thoughts and if you change your thoughts, you are changing your destiny. Yes or no? Yes. Please. So if you are keeping yourself, dowsing is a method to connect yourself to the higher level. So only when you are connected to the higher level will the answers be correct. And the steps for connecting yourself to the higher level is that yourself, the thoughts that are there in the mind, expectation, greed, मेरे को कोई अच्छा बोले, I am good, I am bad. We are not aware of whatever qualities, negative or positive, we have. So the bottom line of dowsing is that you have to know yourself. That is, self-discovery and self-recovery is required. When the process of self-discovery and self-recovery will start, then your connection with dowsing will start. It is very simple. If you just sit with eyes closed before lunch and dinner for 5 minutes, just observing your thoughts, you will see that there will be so much garbage. You will take away all the garbage. What will remain is nothing will remain. If nothing will remain, then what will happen? If you will become empty, what will happen? You will?
Clear thought.
Then what will happen?
Positive mind.
Example is a saint. A saint doesn't have anything, but he has everything. Yes or no?
Yes.
Please tell me, converse.
Yes.
A saint doesn't have anything. वो कहता है मैं भिखारी हूँ. साईं बाबा says सबका मालिक एक है. He says, I don't have anything, but he is everything. Anyone you see, any saints, they don't have anything, but they are everything. But again they say, we are nothing. It is as simple as this, that